Welcome to H Learning Academy. Today's topic is how to activate Windows 10 for free 2019. It's easy for every person. They can finish this process. When need Windows activation that time was not work all software of Microsoft. And right side in computer screen we can see one message such as activate Windows. Now I want to show you how can you done this process. Let's start. Now, we can see one message from Microsoft in right side computer screen. When we will go to computer properties that time we can see not available product ID in Windows activation part. Because we need activate Windows. When we will finish this process that time we cannot see this type of message. Now I will go to the Windows activation software. If anyone don't know, how can you get activation software? I want to tell them, please go to my previous video. That video I saw the process how you will get this software. This video link I will give you in the video description box. Please click the activator software, and wait. Now click activation button. Again click activate Windows button. Now it will be run. Please wait. Please wait. Please wait. Now click continue button. Please wait. Click yes. Please wait. Now, completed this process. And thanks for watching this full video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Like, comment and share this video.